Pressure tests look simple, until you remember this. The test medium changes the risk. In the next 3 minutes, you'll clearly understand hydrostatic, pneumatic, and hydro-air tests, when we use each one, and the safe logic behind them. 4 common approaches. 1. Hydrostatic using water. 2. Pneumatic using air or nitrogen. 3. Hydro-air, a mix of water and a small gas volume, and a safer hybrid called air over water. This is where the equipment stays full of water and air pressurizes water from a separate receiver. Hydrostatic testing is the default choice because liquids store far less energy than compressed gas. In practice, you fill the equipment with water, purge trapped air from the highest points, then raise pressure under controlled conditions and inspect for leaks or deformation. The big safety advantage is simple. Water doesn't spring back like compressed gas. This makes it the safest and most common method used in the industry today. Pneumatic tests use gas, often dry air or nitrogen, typically when water can't be used. But pneumatic testing is inherently riskier because compressed gas stores significant energy. That's why procedures require stricter controls, exclusion zones, and slow pressurization. Careful leak checks are essential, often using soap solution on flanges and joints. Remember, this method must only be performed by qualified personnel following strict codes. Hydro-air testing sits between hydrostatic and pneumatic. The goal is to keep the equipment mostly water-filled. The safest version is air over water. The equipment stays essentially 100% water-filled, while air pressurizes water from a separate receiver outside the equipment itself. If a gas cushion must exist inside, minimize it. Aim for 95 to 99% water. Smaller is always better, especially as pressure and equipment volume increase. This isn't a universal code percentage. It's a risk reduction principle based on stored energy. Whatever the method, safety is non-negotiable. A written procedure and a defined exclusion zone. Remember, hydro is the default, pneumatic is the high-risk case. Subscribe for more lessons.